Hey bro, ready to level up your game? Today we're diving into some classy attitudes that will naturally make her curious to know more about you. These are not your typical pickup artist tricks. These are classy moves that will set you apart and make her genuinely interested. Let's get started. Number 1. Appreciate beyond looks. Learn to appreciate a woman for more than just her physical appearance. Don't just focus on the exterior, acknowledge her kindness, hard work, honesty, and intelligence. Just like you appreciate a woman beyond looks, she will also value you for qualities that go beyond physical attractiveness. It's about building a connection that lasts beyond the initial attraction. Number 2. Master something. Become a master at something, whether it's a sport, writing, leadership, public speaking, or a foreign language. Having a skill that sets you apart makes you intriguing. Invest time in learning and mastering something. It's not about showing off. It's about being genuinely impressive. The goal is to make her curious about the unique qualities you'll bring to the table. Number 3. Stay confident without seeking validation. Confidence is key, but the classy move is to be confident without seeking excessive validation from women. Be confident for yourself, not to impress others. Avoid seeking attention and approval. This will make her want to know more about you naturally. Confidence is attractive, but an understated confidence is even more intriguing. Number 4. Be social, yet maintain individuality. Being social is fantastic, bro. Connect with people, have friends, but maintain your individuality. Don't succumb to negative influences. If your friends are doing something you don't align with, have the strength to say no. For being a guy who can easily connect with others while maintaining personal values is not just cool, but incredibly classy. Number 5. Care about health and future. Show her that you care about your health from a young age. Regular exercise, balanced eating, and adequate sleep speak volumes. It reflects discipline and a long-term perspective. Women appreciate a man who thinks about the future, both for himself and the relationship. This helps you avoid being trapped by those who may take advantage of short-term pleasures. Number 6. Refuse to chase. Maintain a healthy balance between pursuing and being pursued. Show her that you have priorities beyond constantly seeking her attention. This doesn't mean you're uninterested. It means you're focused on your journey, and she'll naturally want to be a part of it. Number 7. Think long-term and prioritize. Think long-term, bro. Don't be afraid to say no or disappoint someone if it aligns with your long-term goals. Show her that you're not afraid of being single and prioritize your personal growth. It's about having a bigger picture in mind. When she sees your commitment to self-improvement and future planning, she'll be even more intrigued. So there you have it, bro. 7 classy attitudes that will naturally make her want to know more about you. Remember, it's about being genuine, building connections, and letting your unique qualities shine. Stay classy, stay intriguing, and best of luck in your romantic endeavors.